What's up, YouTube? Today I wanted to make this video to bring you some exciting new technology that I recently discovered. Now, everybody has been there, you can't lie about it. Everybody at one point has gotten way too drunk and then woke up the next morning way too hungover and not even able to function the next day. Luckily, I recently found this product that changes the entire experience. Instead of taking away your happiness from the next day and leaving you with a hangover, this product not only brings you electrolytes, but it has a revolutionary hydration formula that's 10 times more hydrating than water. So all you need to do is just drink one glass of these, and it's just like drinking 10 glasses of water. That's enough hydration to not have you hungover at all. If you don't know, the reason why you get hungover is because alcohol dehydrates you, and the combination of being extremely dehydrated as well as drinking a lot of alcohol, which is poison at the end of the day, that just leaves you feeling nauseous and extremely sick the next morning. So this is the product I'm talking about right here. It's called Liquid IV. Comes in a bunch of different flavors and you can get multiple. You could buy them in bulk and save some money if you'd like. If you'd like to purchase this product though, the cheapest one that I found is through Amazon. I linked it down below and you can just click on that link and just purchase it right away. You could also see that I'm scrolling through right now and it gives you exactly the reason why it works with some scientific evidence. I'm no scientist, so I'm kind of going to explain it like a dummy, but if you could just read it yourself, you'll just see how powerful this is, and it's going to be blowing your mind so much that you're just going to want to be drinking every night because you know that you won't have a hangover. Well, not really. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you. And if it does, unfortunately, I can't be held liable, so don't come after me. If you have any questions about this method, feel free to drop them down below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. Like I said, this is pretty new technology, so there's still a lot of answers on how it works, but you could do your research yourself to see how safe it is. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and also like this video. It really helps my channel out a lot. And read the description down below because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.